To make a table of contents using Google Docs, you must first create your Google Doc. Type in all of the content of your Google Doc, including your title, which I have here, making a table of contents in Google Docs. Section headings, for example, create your document, add section headings, change the section heading text into actual functional headings, etc. These are all my section headings. The text below the section headings is simply the text that is the body of that section. So to actually make the table of contents, what you have to do first is turn your section headings into actual functional headings. Now, what I mean by this, take your first heading and highlight it. So I'm highlighting create your document. In the upper left of the screen, there's a button that's in all text. If I click here, I now have several choices. I need to choose one of the three headings, heading 1, heading 2, or heading 3. The only difference is in size. I'm going to pick heading 2 because it's not too large and not too small. So you notice the text size changes a little bit. I'm going to highlight my second section heading, which is add section headings. And then go through the same process, click where it says normal text, and click on heading 2. I'm going to change my third section heading, which is change the section heading text into actual functional headings. Text is highlighted, click on normal text, click on heading 2. I have one more section heading, and that is insert your table of contents into the document. Click on normal text, click on heading 2. All of what I'm doing right now, by the way, is outlined in this very document that I'm using for demonstration purposes. I will share this document with you. So I would like to insert my table of contents at the top of my document after the title. So I'm going to put my cursor right after the title. I simply left click to place it there. Now I go up to insert, left click, and all the way to the bottom of this menu, this table of contents. This opens up a smaller submenu. One gives me the option to add page numbers to my table of contents, and one is simply blue hyperlinks. If you're dealing with long documents, page numbers might be appropriate, so we're going to select that. And here it is. So I'm going to click off of the table of contents to get rid of all of this selection area and this table of icon, etc. Okay, so now to see if this works, I'm going to click on one of these headings, and I'll click on the last one because it's not currently on our page views. So I click the table of contents in the document. In Google Docs, this little link thing pops up. So we simply click there. Do not click change or remove. And it brings me to that very heading in the document. If you're wondering why all of these say 1 after them, is because all of the headings are in fact on page 1. So they are accurate. And that covers how to add a table of contents to your Google Doc. It does not matter how long your document is or how short it is, it will still function the same. What you need to remember to do is your section headings meaningful and relevant.